Hi, hello, welcome to this channel. So today we will discuss about the topic of privatization of education. So let's discuss. So privatization of education refers to the transfer of ownership and management from public to private entities. It aims to increase competition among educational institutions. Private institutions often provide better infrastructure and facilities. It is seen as a solution to inefficiencies in public education systems. Privatization can lead to increased tuition fees. It can improve the quality of education through innovation. Private institutions often focus on skill-based education. It creates a wider choice of schools and colleges. Privatization may exclude economically weaker sections due to high costs. It often leads to a focus on profit making over quality education. It encourages the establishment of specialized schools for specific subjects. Private schools typically maintain stricter discipline and administration. Privatization can lead to commercialization of education. It increases accountability through performance based funding. Teachers in private institutions often face higher workloads. It can widen the gap between rich and poor students. Many private institutions emphasize English medium education. Privatization allows for quicker adaptation to modern technologies. It reduces the burden on government funding for education. Public private partnerships are a form of partial privatization. Privatization promotes competition, potentially improving education standards. Some private institutions focus more on profit than student welfare. Privatization can reduce political interference in education. It may lead to inequality in education access. Private schools are often criticized for prioritizing results over learning. The privatization of education is common in urban areas. Many parents perceive private schools as offering better education. Scholarships and financial aid can help low income students in private institutions. Privatization increases innovation in curriculum development. It has led to the proliferation of coaching centers and private tuitions. Some private institutions compromise on quality to maximize profits. Accreditation and regulation are crucial to maintain private education standards. Privatization may reduce teachers' job security and benefit. It can encourage the growth of international schools in developing countries. Pri- Privatized institutions often invest more in research and development. It reduces the government's control over curriculum content. Privatization of education may focus more on employability skills. It often promotes competition among students, fostering academic rigor. Private institutions are more likely to integrate modern teaching methodologies. Privatization can lead to brain drain in public institutions. It may create a dual education system, elite private versus underfunded public schools. Private schools often provide better extracurricular opportunities. Privatization increases the role of corporate sectors in education. It may discourage education in rural or remote areas due to low profitability. The government must regulate private institutions to ensure affordability. It can reduce the quality of public schools due to resource allocation. Privatized education systems may undermine cultural and local values. Privatization allows more flexibility in teacher recruitment. It may promote merit based admission in some cases. Privatization is a controversial issue with both advantages and challenges. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe of this channel. If you will subscribe of this channel, so you will get that type of videos. So thank you so much.